Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you AI Funnels review. Creator of this software, AI Funnels, Tom Epshikov and his team. This software goes live on 13th of August 11 a.m. EST. Right now I'm in the sales space of this software AI Funnels. So what actually is AI Funnels? Guys, AI Funnels is the cloud-based software and new AI-driven funnel and website creation tool that builds your and your client's six-figure income generating funnel in record time. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software AI Funnels. I'm going to show you a quick demo. This is the members area, how you can easily create your funnels. I'm going to show you everything, guys, so please don't skip this video. Before watching demo, I'm going to show you everything. Okay, check out these funnels created and launched in minutes. And this software AI Funnels, guys, will save you time and money. And this software price is $37. The front end offer. Also this software have upsells and downsells. The upsell price is 47, downsell price is 47, and the commercial license price is only $147. These three OTOs you can see the members area. And this software is 100% risk-free. That's why I promote this software, guys. So you have got nothing to lose because they will provide 30 days unconditional money back guarantee. Okay. You can see, guys, 100% refund policy, 30 days money back guarantee. So you can rest it out risk-free 30 days. Okay guys, I'm going to show you everything. This is the creator Tom Epshikov and the price is one time $37 and the $47 is upsells and downsells. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you a quick demo, guys, how actually works this software. Then I'm going to show you all other information, so stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you the quick walkthrough video that created by the software creator Tom Epshikov. He explained well in this demo video. That's why I shared this demo, guys. Okay, and they will provide a step-by-step training inside the members area of this software AI Funnels, guys. Okay, build your funnels in record time, feed with content and with lighting, first free hosting without any design, technical or marketing skills. You will be fully understand afterwards the demo. So let's see the demo, guys, and attention please.
Hey there, my name is Tom Epshikov. Welcome to this demo video of AI Funnels by ConvertLead. I'm going to try and keep it simple because this is a base demo, right? There's full training inside the platform. So what we're looking at here is AI Funnels, which is a hybrid between a great funnel builder, just like ConvertReal ClickFunnels, which means you can create pages, websites. We host it on our server. You can export pages and start selling them, as well as it all comes at an affordable price. And it combines AI to help you, populate the entire page and the entire everything, right, with unique content created by AI. So let me show you how it works. It's really simple. So if you have only the front end, which is the base product, which is the one I'm doing the demo for right now, you will have this entire tab locked out, right? This one includes the leads, which is your clients, campaigns, which you can run, agents for your team, as well as statistics. This will all be locked depending and will be unlocked depending on which upgrade you purchase. The base product, the front end, comes with the pages tab. So it's right here. You're going to see it right next to the name of your account. I'm going to click on pages. It's going to bring into projects, right? So the first thing I recommend from the get-go is to never, unless you already know how to use this, don't start from a blank project because it's going to be a little bit more complicated for you. I strongly recommend you use one of our templates. Templates are awesome. So we're going to click on landing pages. I'm going to select this one, which is one of my favorites. This is for a professional moving company. I think it's really smooth. It loads really fast. The elements are not heavy. It's a good template, right? House moving smooth, right? That's what we're going to call it, this project. Click on save. Project is ready. Now we're going to, once it loads up, we're going to start editing the project. Clicking on the preview or in the project name. So now we have this in front of us. So the way this builder works is based on blocks, which means each section that you edit or add is based on a block, which is very popular today. It's very convenient. So each thing can be edited based on block. If you want to see all the blocks, You simply click on this and it's going to show you all the blocks you have on this page. And you can disable and enable it right now. You can import HTML pages right here if you want to, and the export is right here, which is crazy. How does the export work? Well, exports all the entire website. Let's click it and you can see the index, CSS, and image, basically everything you need to sell the website, and you can upload this on any custom domain and any hosting, and you will have this ready for you. So it's really easy to export and sell this, which is amazing on its own right there on the front end. Here you can add new pages, and here you will see your funnel with the amount of pages. So we're going to click on blah, blah, blah. We're going to add some kind of page, and then we have the next page in the funnel. And we can play with this. We can duplicate page, and we can have SEO settings for each page to make sure it ranks at a maximum level. And it's the meta settings. It's very basic. You add the keyword and description of your website right here, or whatever your business is about, or your client's business, and you're good to go, right? So when it comes to editing the blocks, right, this is why I recommend that you start with a template instead of a clean slate. Because if you go to a template and there's something you want, for example, we have three tabs here, and we want to have more, we simply click on here, the little duplicate button, trash button to delete, and that's it. We're good to go. You can also delete by clicking delete on your keyboard. Change the logo, you can do all these things, and the way it's done is in this editor right here. This right here, this section is the actual editor of whatever it is you're editing. So we can start, point and click and edit the text right like this, or we can go into the editing section and edit in a more, let's say, more specific and purpose-driven way, right? So I'm going to ignore the flex right now. It's a little bit more advanced. I'm going to stay with the general and the typography. Typography is basically the text itself, how you want it to present, etc. Different effects, elements, and all that stuff. And general is the way the box itself is positioned within the page, and you can change all these different elements here as well. Once again, you can keep it, if you like it, you can keep it as it is. If you want to edit, you can start editing anything you want. Dimensions is something you can edit as well, which means the width, height of this box. And this is the editor of the actual block. Now here you have the page component settings. So you can add a title and page ID right here. Here, what you have is a little bit more advanced. This is not for everyone, right? If you're just getting started and you're not interested in all this technical stuff, don't worry, you don't need to touch it. But if you are interested in going deeper, or you have a designer working in your team, or a developer, coder, this is a great place. This is going to simply prompt you to the place you want to edit real quick, right? It's going to prompt you. And here you can have the full basic editor where you can add, the full editor where you can add all the different elements to your page. So we can add a countdown timer. We can add a countdown timer right here if we want to change the dimensions of that, just like that. So each block you select will have its own editing right here, right? Each block you select will have its own editing. And it also works in a step-by-step, in a drag and drop kind of style, which is very simple, right? Super simple. Now, when it comes to populating this with content, let's say you design this to whatever you want. You added here, whatever you want, and this is a professional moving company. We want to have this text written here. We want to have an email sent to them. All these things require a lot of writing. So we have an AI for that built in, and it's super simple. So you speak with the AI just like you would speak with, for example, ChatGPT. So how can I help you? Write me a testimonial, right? Because we want to have a testimonial for our moving company, right? A testimonial, and the keyword would be house moving company, right? The tone we're going to select, we have professional, conversational, humorous, empathic, simple, academic, creative. We're going to go for professional. Click on generate, wait a few moments. It should take usually around 15 seconds. Can take more, can take less, depending on the amount it generates, but around 15 seconds. Give it some time. It may cause the page you are in to load a little bit slower, but no biggie, right? So we have this ready in front of us, and writing the testimonial, and you can see the testimonial right here. I'm thrilled to share my experience with the exceptional house moving services provided by House Moving Company. So whatever you want to change, that you change that, you're good to go. You're good to go. You like that, you go on to click and save, and once you are finished saving, it's going to be in history for you to repeat whenever you want to approach this, right? So we have the testimonial right here. We can take this text and simply paste it to our testimonial section, for example. The same can go for an email. You want this to write you an email, a welcome email, right here. How can I help you? Write me a welcome email, and keyword house moving company. Very, very simple. Very smooth, just like ChatGPT. All right. And once you're done, you have the full page loaded up with whatever you want and all the pages, right? You're gonna click on save. Now, what's gonna happen is we gotta give it some time, because saving takes some time. Really depends on the elements of the page. It can take a few moments to a few. Right. It's saving. If you have a lot of heavy images, etc., it's gonna take a long time. It can take up to a minute or two. Here we have the page saved. We're good to go. We can preview the page just like this, right? Nice little smooth preview. You can see how quickly it moves and quickly it loads, etc. You can close preview. Then you can export the page right here. You can preview the page on different devices, so mobile, tablet, and desktop. And that's it. You're good to go. You have the AI to create content whenever you want. You have different templates. You can edit them just like this, right? Click, 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 and edit. It's very, very simple. Once you're done, once again, you save, you go back, you have the projects right here. Now, if you did end up buying any upsells or something, there's separate training for that, and which will show you how to get the leads, how to get the clients, agents, all that stuff, how to use that, right? But the actual funnel builder is what you've seen right now. Of course, we have custom domains, which means you can use your own hosting and domains for this, but it's strongly recommended that as a beginner, you just load up a template, edit the template, and publish the page, and you're good to go. You can use that page. You can sell it to anyone you want because of how easy it is to export. And you can, of course, go ahead and download. I'm sorry, and you can, of course, go ahead and select any different template that you want. We have landing page template, opt-in page templates, etc., 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 multi-purpose template, which is essentially the best one for sales pages as well. But yeah, pretty much that's how it works. This is a very advanced software. I hope you will enjoy this. The price we made it for the first 1,000 people is incredibly low. I'm not sure if you're already inside or you are watching this interested in buying, but if you are interested in buying, this is going to be, if you're within those first 1,000 people, it's going to be very affordable. First off, one-time price. The second thing, much cheaper than our main competition, which is Convertri and ClickFunnels, for example, which are great platforms. But we also are an amazing platform. You can see it's fast. It's just the whole package, as well as comes with AI. So really came here to change the game, make it really easy to build pages, websites, and funnels. You'll enjoy this. We have a commercial license. You can export projects, sell them in one click. Really super simple. So enjoy this. If you have any questions, let me know, or hit the support button. And that's it. And thank you very much for watching. Tommy Evsakov out.
Okay, my friend, I hope you fully understand about this software AI funnels. This is very easy to use software, okay? The only AI assisted funnel builder that is 10x cheaper, better and easier to use than ClickFunnels, Convertri, Wix, and any other funnel builder software. Okay guys, funnel builder software are charged per monthly basis, but this software AI funnels will charge the one-time payment. AI is changing the world and there is no going back. This is the creator, the vendor. Guys, Tommy Evsakov already launched lots of software on JVZoo and Warrior Plus Marketplace. He's also a well-known marketer and a software creator. So you have no problem to trust this guy. Okay guys, you can trust him and you can purchase this software. This is my honest opinion, and this software is actually a legit software that you can see here. Here is the agents, stats, links, and everything, guys. When you click here, and you can create a campaign. At first, you put your campaign name, then you can create your own funnels easily. And I hope this software will help you. This software will save you time and money. And 3 simple steps works this software. Here is the 3 simple steps. You can read the full information, link in my video description below, guys. Also, you can see the demo is here on the sales page, so you have no problem to understand about this software, guys. This is very easy to understand this software. Actually, this is actually AI funnel builder software, and step-by-step walkthrough and bulletproof guarantee is a fraction of how far we will go to help you. And also this software have frequent asked question. This is the fact: can I create single page website and complete multi-page websites with AI funnels? Absolutely yes, you can create both single and multi-page websites with AI funnels. You can also create complete marketing funnels and landing pages for your business and for your clients as well. And is the price you quote on this page my final price? I like no hidden fees or anything. Yes, the price quoted on this page is all you have to pay. No bait and switch or hidden fees in this software, guys. Okay. And that's it, guys. This is the quick overview of this software. I think you fully understand about this software, guys. I hope you can purchase this software. Link in my video description below. Just consider the link. Okay, I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to create funnels, who actually pay lots of money every single month of using ClickFunnels and other funnel builder software. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.